Okay, we're sure gonna be doing a bunch of videos on integration by partial fractions. It's a small thing in the book, but I'm gonna probably go into it a little bit more depth than the book does. So once again, watch the previous video, or also watch videos on methods of partial fractions to get an idea of what's going on. And I'm just gonna sort of jump right into this one. Okay, I'm gonna rewrite this as the integral of x plus 3 over x minus 2 and x plus 2. And then I'm going to say that x plus 3 over x minus 2, x plus 2 can be rewritten as a over x minus 2 plus b over x plus 2. So now I can rewrite this as a x plus 2 plus b x minus 2 all over x minus 2 x plus 2 those are going to cancel out, and I'm going to have x plus 3 is equal to ax plus bx plus 2a minus 2b, ax plus bx plus 2a minus 2b, x plus 3 is equal to a plus b x plus 2a minus 2b. So now I've got two equations. My two equations are, there's a 1 there, so 1 equals a plus b, and 3 equals 2a minus 2b. So I'm going to say a equals 1 minus b, and then 3 equals 2, 1 minus b, minus 2b. So I get 3 equals 2 minus 2b minus 2b. And I've got 1 equals negative 4b, b equals negative 1/4, and then a equals 1 minus 1/4, negative 1/4, a equals 5/4. So now I can rewrite this as, well, I can rewrite this as 5/4 times 1 over x minus 2 minus 1/4 1 over x plus 2. So I can rewrite this as the integral of 5/4 1 over x minus 2 dx minus the integral of 1/4 1 over x plus 2 dx. And the whole point is that these are really simple. These are just ln's. And so you can do this by integration by substitution, and it's worthwhile for you to sort of see the substitution like I did in a previous video. But you can just, once you sort of know it, you can just rock. So you can say that's 5/4 ln of x minus 2 minus 1/4 ln of x plus 2. And then you put a plus c on that, put a box around it, call it your answer, and you're done. Okay, so then I think I'm going to do another one in this video that sort of keeps the theme going. I'm going to do x squared, and do x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 all over x squared, let's just do x squared minus 1. Let's not make it too complicated. Okay, now, okay, here in this one, I've got an x squared on the bottom. I've got an x to the 1 on the top. So the order of the numerator is 1 less than the order of the denominator. In this one, I've got a 3 on top and I've got a 2 on the bottom, so I can't use partial fractions just yet. So start with long division. So it's probably been a while since you've seen long division of polynomials, so this is going to be another new one for you. So I'm going to do x squared minus 0x or plus 0x minus 1, and I'm going to do x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. And so I'm going to say, what times x squared gives me x cubed? Well, x. So I do x times x squared gives me x cubed. X times 0x gives me 0x squared. And I've got x times negative 1 gives me negative x. And then I subtract those. So I've got 0 plus 3x squared minus 3x plus 5. Then I go, what times x squared gives me 3x squared? Well, plus 3. So I've got 3x squared plus 0x minus 3. I subtract those, and I've got 0, and I've got minus 3x, and I've got plus 8. So now I'm going to write this as my, well, all that, I might as well just do it. The integral of x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 all over x squared minus 1 dx can be written as the integral of x plus 3 plus negative 3x plus 8 over x squared minus 1 dx. This looks like it's going to be complicated, and it is complicated, but we're just going to go with it. That's now my partial fractions right there. So let's just sort of break this up. I've got the integral of x plus 3 dx. That's just going to be 1/2 x squared plus 3x plus c, and we just got to remember that. Now I'm going to write this part here. I'm going to write that as negative 3x plus 8 over x minus 1 x plus 1 is equal to a over x minus 1 b over x plus 1. I'm going to multiply this one by x plus 1 over x plus 1. Multiply this one by x minus 1 over x minus 1. My denominators go away. And I've got negative 3x plus 8 is equal to, watch this, a plus b x plus a minus b. So I've got a plus b is equal to negative 3, and a minus b is equal to 8. That gives me, let's just do this one, a equals 8 plus b. And so then I've got 8 plus b, and again, equals negative 3. So I've got 8, well, let's just crank it around. I've got 2b equals 5, b equals 5 halves, a equals 8 plus 5 halves, so a equals 16/21 halves. And where does that get me? Well, now I've got the integral of 5 halves times 1 over x minus 1 dx plus the integral of 21, 21, that's my a. That's my b. Well, that's going to be 21 over 2 ln of x minus 1, and that's going to be 5 halves ln of x plus 1. Then I got my plus c. So that whole integral, this whole integral is equal to 1/2 x squared plus 3x plus 21 over 2 ln of x minus 1 plus 5 halves ln x plus 1 plus c. So there's a long and complicated video for you.